Hiace Super Granja Leather o Hiace Super Granja Elite. Anong pipiliin mo? Kasi real talk, pareho lang sila ng engine, pareho halos ng itsura, pero may halos 300k to 400k na difference. Ngayon, eto ang hindi sinasabi ng iba. May isang variant dito na sobrang sulit para sa comfort, pero meron ding variant na baka binabayaran mo lang yung hindi mo naman magagamit. Kaya bago ka magdesisyon, alamin natin, alin ba talaga ang para sa'yo? Practical luxury o ultimate luxury? Mga ma'am and sir, hihingiin ko lang nagsuporta nyo. Please like, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa mga next car review natin at ma-inspired pa ako lalo gumawa ng car review dahil sa like and subscribe mo. Thank you! Let's go! Umpisahan na natin. Toyota Hiace Super Granja Leather and Elite. Full engine specs. Engine type, pareho sa dalawa. Engine code, 1GD-FTV. Type, 2.8L, 4-cylinder, DOHC 16 valve. Fuel, diesel. Induction, turbocharged plus intercooler. Performance specs, max power, 176 PS at 3,400 RPM. Max torque, 450 Nm at 1,600 to 2,400 RPM. Meaning, malakas humatak kahit mababang RPM, ideal sa low-bid van. Smooth at hindi hirap sa overtaking. Engine details. Displacement, 2,755cc. Fuel system, Common Rail Direct Injection or CRDI. Turbo type, Variable Nozzle Turbo or VNT. Emission standard, Euro 4/Euro 5, depende sa market. Transmission and drivetrain. Transmission, 6-speed automatic or 6AT. Drive layout, rear-wheel drive or RWD. Fuel and efficiency. Fuel tank capacity, approximately 70 liters. Estimated consumption, city, 8 to 10 kilometers per liter. Highway, 12 to 15 kilometers per liter. Same engine ang Leather at Elite, walang lamang sa power. Verified, built for heavy load plus long drive comfort. Malakas torque kaya hindi bitin kahit puno. Headlight specs, pareho sa dalawa. Type, bi-beam LED headlights. Width, integrated turn signal. Width, auto leveling function. Width, LED fog lamps. Parehong naka-premium LED setup. Parehong maliwanag at modern look. May difference ba talaga? Verified, lighting performance, same. Design, same. Brightness, same. Important, possible slight difference. Elite, kumpleto or automatic high beam. Leather, basic lang. Important, part ito ng Toyota Safety Sense na exclusive sa Elite. Actual dimensions, Super Granja Leather, Super Granja Elite. Warning, pareho lang sila. Full dimensions, length, 5,300 millimeters. Width, 2,970 millimeters. Height, 1,990 millimeters. Wheelbase, 3,210 millimeters. Ground clearance, approximately 175 millimeters. Turning radius, approximately 5.5 to 11 meters, depende sa source. Key fact, walang dimension difference. Verified, same haba, same lapad, same taas, same wheelbase. Meaning, pareho sila ng space sa loob, pareho handling at parking feel, pareho laki sa daan. Kung iniisip mo mas malaki ang Elite, hindi. Pareho lang sila ng sukat. So kung bakit mas mahal ang Elite, hindi dahil sa laki, kundi sa laman. Wheels and tires. Actual specs. Super Granja Elite. Wheel size, 17-inch alloy. Tire size, 235/60 R17. Type, radial tires. Mas low profile, mas forma at mas stable. Super Granja leather. Wheel size, 17-inch alloy. Tire size, 235/60 R17. Same sa Elite. Parehong setup ng Elite. Modern Hiace. Pagdating sa dashboard, akala mo pareho lang, pero dito na papasok ang difference. Yung leather, premium na, malinis, modern. Pero pag pumasok ka sa Elite, ibang level. Dashboard comparison. Super Grandia leather. Material, leather finish dashboard. Infotainment, 8-inch touchscreen. Connectivity, Apple CarPlay plus Android Auto. Instrument cluster, Optitron plus basic MID display. Steering wheel, leather. Aircon, automatic climate control. Simple, premium, pero straightforward lang. Yellow, Super Grandia Elite. Material, leather plus wood trim. Luxury look. Infotainment, 8-inch touchscreen. Same size. Connectivity, Apple CarPlay plus Android Auto. Instrument cluster, Optitron plus 4.2-inch TFT display, mas advanced. Steering wheel, leather plus wood. Aircon, automatic climate control with Nano E system. Mas sosyal, mas premium feel, mas techy. Seat configuration, importanteng diferensya. Soap One, dito na nagkakatalo. Pareho silang 10-seater, pero hindi pareho ang experience. Grandia leather, front, driver, mas one passenger. Second row, captain seats. Third row, bench type. Fourth row, bench type. More practical o pang pamilya o pang service. Grandia Elite, front, driver plus one passenger. Second row, captain seats with ottoman, leg rest. Third row, captain o premium na bench. Fourth row, bench type. Mas VIP o executive setup. Mas focus sa comfort ng passengers. Material ng upuan. Leather variant. Material, full leather seats. Feel, premium pero simple. Adjustment, manual o basic power. Comfortable na pero hindi luxury level. Elite variant. High quality leather plus mas premium finish. Special, ottoman seats, leg support. Adjustment, power adjust seats, driver plus minsan passenger. Mas malambot, mas relaxing, parang business class o VIP van. Safety features, Hiace Super Grandia leather versus Elite. Overview, ito ang malaking diferensya. Leather, basic safety na kumpleto na. Elite, advanced safety na may AI assist features. Dito talaga napupunta malaking presyo ng Elite. Safety comparison, Grandia leather, standard safety, 9 SRS airbags, ABS, vehicle stability control, hill start assist, reverse camera plus sensors. Kumpleto na for daily driving. Safe na safe kahit family use. Grandia Elite, advanced safety, lahat ng nasa leather, plus Toyota Safety Sense, includes pre-collision system o PCS, adaptive cruise control o ACC, lane departure alert o LDA, automatic high beam o AHB, plus additional blind spot monitor o BSM, rear cross traffic alert o RCTA, 360 o panoramic view monitor, depende variant. Mas high-tech, parang may assistant driver ka. Likod o tail lights ng Hiace Super Grandia leather versus Elite. Grandia leather, tail lights, standard combination lamps na LED plus bulb mix. Design, simple, keen, functional. Rear door, malaking tailgate, practical sa loading. Reverse camera, standard. Sensors, rear parking sensors. Focus, practical plus clean look. Grandia Elite, tail lights, full LED tail lamps, mas premium look. Design, mas modern o mas executive dating. Rear door, same tailgate. Reverse camera, mas clear plus may guidelines. Sensors with additional safety assist o RCTA. Focus, premium plus high-tech feel. Pagdating sa likod, akala mo pareho lang. Pero pag tinignan mo ng mabuti, yung Elite mas premium ang ilaw, full LED, mas malinaw, mas modern. Habang yung leather, basic lang pero functional na. So, kung porma sa gabi ang usapan, may konting lamang ang Elite. Ngayon, malinaw na. Pareho silang malakas, pareho premium. Pero ang pinagkaiba, nasa level ng comfort at experience. Ngayon, ang tanong, ikaw, alin ang pipiliin mo? Practical luxury, super grandia leather, o ultimate VIP experience, Elite? Comment mo sa baba, leather or Elite? At kung gusto mo ng actual price, promo, o gusto mong makita unit in person, message mo lang ako, Jerry Rosales, 0926-752-6138. Viber and WhatsApp ready. Tutulungan kitang pumili ng tamang variant para sa'yo. At bago ang lahat, baka wala ka pang phone holder. Introducing the Vacuum Adsorption Bracket. Strong suction, stable at safe sa dashboard mo. Hindi ito ordinaryong suction. Vacuum lock system siya. Ikutin mo lang sa lock and boom! Solid kapit. Walang alog, walang laglag. 1. Strong vacuum suction. 2. Hindi nakakasira ng dashboard. 3. 160 degrees viewing angle. 4. Premium metal finish. Sleek and modern look. Para sa daily commute, grab drivers, road trips o kahit simpleng drive lang. Upgrade your driving experience today. Order now bago maubos ang stocks. Mga sir at ma'am, drop ko na lang ang link ng car phone holder. Siguradong legit at maaasahan. Check na ang link below. Mga sir at ma'am, huwag kalimutang like, share, and subscribe. Malaking tulong na yan sa subscribe mo sa tulad kong small content creator. Mas gagalingan ko pa sa next car review natin. Maraming salamat po.
Yun na guys, no? Napag-usapan na natin ang specs ni Jill Grandia, magkano monthly, magkano down payment, at also magkano ang SRP. Kaya guys, kung nagustuhan mo yung video na to at gusto mong kumuha ng ganitong super Grandia na leather two-tone, message mo lang ako sa number na to, 0926-7526138. Kaya ano pa inaantay mo? Message now or call. Guys, comment below kung anong gusto mong Toyota na gusto mong i-review natin next time. Kaya ano pa inaantay mo? Let's go!